first of all, I'm baffled by the news we just got regarding the adoption of the outcome document for the Durban Review Conference. I had hoped that the process would at least pretend to be inclusive of civil society voices, people who travel all the way to come here. As you know, it's very difficult to participate in the process, the preparatory meetings beforehand, because it takes resources. The most effective way of lobbying delegates is to be here and talk to them. And so unless you're one of the few NGOs that has the money to actually do that, you have no real way of participating effectively. And so when you save your resources and come to the conference and hope to make change here, and you're told that the document is adopted even before you get a chance to say anything, it's a slap in the face. So I was just going to say a few words about our reaction to the United States decision not to participate in this conference. And in thinking about this, it appears to me that this is really a defining moment in the Obama administration's tenure, but I don't think they realize it. Every once in a while, a leader is faced with a moment to make a principled decision, and it's always the one that haunts them for the rest of their tenure. It happened with Clinton, Hillary Clinton, at least as a senator, and the war. In this case, President Obama has failed because he's decided to put aside principle, to put aside the moral thing to do, and to go with the lobbyists. It's a small but powerful group of lobbyists, but essentially this is a political decision. It's not based on substance. A few days ago, I think it was 2 days ago, President Obama was quoted as saying that the reason the U.S. was not participating was that the government could not accept a conference that would adopt language that came from the 2001 conference. In essence, it could not accept language that is contained in the Durban Declaration and Program of Action. Here's the thing. We've asked the State Department several times to tell us what specifically that is contained in the Durban Declaration and Program of Action that it objects to. And in fact, in the first conversation I had with someone from the state, they didn't know and admitted that they didn't know. Because there is no such language in the Durban Declaration and Program of Action. And if anyone read it, they would see there's no such language, at least no language that's linked to their publicly stated reasons for not participating in the conference, which is the unfair criticism and attacks on Israel. It's not in the Durban Declaration and Program of Action. So that's why they're not specific about it. It helps to be more general when you don't have real reasons, or when you have to admit that your reasons are more political. And perhaps even more